Hey everyone, welcome back to Nom Nom to Fitness. In today's video, I have a quick and easy grab and go breakfast recipe for you. I'm making peanut butter banana oat bars. So let's get into the video. I'm adding 1/3 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, and 1/3 cup of coconut sugar. And now I'm blending it up until it's nice and smooth. I'm now adding 2 mashed bananas and blending it up. I'm now adding 2/3 cups of oat flour, 1/3 cups of spelt flour, a half teaspoon of sea salt, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 flax egg. To make the flax egg, just add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 2½ tablespoons of water and mix together. Just let sit for 1 minute. I'm now adding the mixture to an 8x8 inch pan. I put it on top of some parchment paper and I'm going to let it bake at 350 for 20 to 22 minutes. Once it's done baking, just let it cool for 5 minutes. You can eat this warm or at room temperature. And there you have simple and easy peanut butter banana oat bars. These are perfect for a post or pre-workout snack or just to have for breakfast in the morning. These peanut butter banana bars are so moist and delicious. Please let me know if you give them a try. You can tag me at Nom Nom to Fitness on Instagram and on Twitter. I hope you enjoy these. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.